Today I will discuss about instruction sets of microcontroller and applications. Let me discuss about the instruction sets of 8051 instructions, logical instructions, loop instructions, and a branch instructions. Let me consider the arithmetic instructions or like addition, addition with carry, subtraction, subtraction with borrow, multiplication, division, decrement, increment, and decimal adjust accumulator instructions. Consider the addition instruction, that is ADD. That means that ADD A comma source operand. Here it will adds the accumulator content with the source operand and stores the result into the accumulator register. That means that it adds the source operand with the accumulator register and store the result into the accumulator register. After the operation of this instruction, the affected flags are carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, overflow flag. Then it may be an example for different types of addressing modes. They are immediate addressing mode, that is add a comma hash data. For register addressing mode, example is add a comma or n, where n is equal to 0 to 7. Third one is direct addressing mode. Example is add a comma 30h. For register indirect addressing mode, add a comma at ri, where I is equal to 0 and 1. Consider an example for the given instruction, that is add a comma hash 24h. Here hash 24h means it is the immediate data. So let us consider a is equal to 27h. Then the immediate data is 24h. The binary form of this 27 and 24 is 0010 0111. 24 is 0010 0100. The addition of these two data will become equal to 0100 1011. It means that 4CH will be copied into the accumulator register. Consider one more instruction, that is ADDC, that is add with a carry. Syntax for this is ADDC A comma source operand. Here what it will do, it adds the accumulator content with the source operand along with the carry bit and store the results into the accumulator register. After the execution of this instruction, above instruction, the flags affected are carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, overflow flag. Example for this, it may be an example for different types of addressing modes. They are immediate addressing mode, that is ADDC A comma hash data. Register addressing mode, for register addressing mode, it will be like ADDC A comma RN. For direct addressing mode, it will be ADDC A comma 30h. For register indirect addressing mode, it will be ADDC A comma at or I. Consider an example for this instruction. ADDC A comma hash 24h. Let us assume that accumulator contains the data that is 25h. Here we already considered the immediate data as 24h. Then the carry bit will be equal to 1. Add the two 8-bit data, that is 25h and 24h. After adding these two data, add the carry bit, that is 1. Then the result will become 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. That means that 4EH will be copied into the accumulator register. One more instruction of the arithmetic instruction set is SUBB, that is subtract with a borrow or a carry bit. Syntax is SUBB A comma source operand. Here what it will do? Here the source operand will be subtracted from the content of the accumulator register, and also it will subtract the accumulator register content will subtract the carry bit also, and the result will stored into the accumulator register. After the execution of this instruction, two flags will be affected, that is carry flag and the auxiliary carry flag. It may be an example for different types of addressing modes. First one, SUBB A comma hash data. This is an example for immediate addressing mode. SUBB A comma RN. This is an example for register addressing mode. SUBB A comma 30H. This is an example for, obviously we know that is direct addressing mode. SUBB A comma at RN. So this is an example for register indirect addressing mode. Consider an example, SUBB A comma R3. Here what we are doing, the content of the accumulator will be subtracted from the content of the R3 register and the carry bit. So here let us assume that content of the accumulator will be equal to 3FH, R3 will be equal to 23H, carry will be equal to 0. Then consider the 3FH as it is 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. Then consider 23. So here during the subtraction operation, so take the 2's complement of the R3 content, that is source operand content or a R3 here. That is 1101 1100. This is the 1 complement, and that with a 1. So it will become 2's complement. Therefore, the result will be equal to carry bit will be high 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. This is the carry bit. That means that the carry will be equal to 1, and 1 CH will go and store or will go and copied into the accumulator register. Next instruction is increment, that is INC. INC, the syntax for this instruction is INC operand. What it will do? After the execution of this instruction, so it increments the operand by 1 and stores the result into the same operand. After the execution of this instruction, there are no flags will be affected over here. So it will be an example for different addressing modes. Those are INCA. This is an example for immediate addressing mode. INCRN is an example for register addressing mode. INC40H is an example for direct addressing mode. INC at RA. It is an example for register indirect addressing mode. Consider an example for the above instruction. Consider INCA, where assume that A is equal to 25H. So after execution of this instruction, 25H should become equal to 26. Further, add 1 to the accumulator content. So after adding 1 to the accumulator content, so it will become 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. So therefore 26H data will be going to store or copied into the accumulator register A. Next we'll go to the multiple choice questions, like which flags affected after subtraction? Carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, overflow flag. Next option is carry flag, auxiliary carry flag. Third, carry flag, only carry flag. Fourth one, only overflow flag. The answer for this is second one, that is both carry flag and the auxiliary carry flag will be affected. So next question is ADDC A comma RN is an example for register addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, direct addressing mode, immediate addressing mode. So obviously we know that if both the operands are registered, then it will be an example for register addressing mode. The addition instruction is ADD A comma #25H, SUBB A comma R0, INC A, DEC A. The answer for this question is ADD A comma 20 #25H. So the next question is the INC instruction do decrement the data by 1, increment the data by 1, clearing the data by 1, clearing the data, clearing the data. Fourth one is adding the data by 1. The answer for this question is it increments the data, and here it will become both increment the data by 1 and also adding the data by 1. Both are the answer for the above question. The following instruction is not an arithmetic instruction. SUBB, ADD, ADDC, ANL. The answer for this question is ANL, that is ANDing operation. Logical ANDing operation between the source operand and the destination operand. Thank you.